You are the participants of Group 1 of the integrated panel. Fernanda.
Here.
Natalia. Luisa. Vitor.
Here.
And Paulo. You receive the kit 1 with 4 different types of geosynthetics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 50 minutes to discuss about them and find the answer to the questions. For each sample of your geosynthetic sample kit, answer the following questions: types of geosynthetics, function, properties, and example of application in engineering works. Don't worry, because I will let you know when this time is up, okay? Class, you can talk about the types, discussion.
Oh, sorry, I received the number 3. It's a geotextile, but I'm not sure if it's a woven or non-woven geotextile. What do you think?
I think that number 3 is it's a woven geotextile. It seems we can see at the picture, you can see the fibers. So it looks like a woven, not a non-woven. How about you? What do you think?
I agree with you, Fernando.
Yeah, I agree. It's a woven geotextile. The functions that I have been studying is for reinforcement, separation of material, and it depends on its property. I think a good application for it is on soil reinforcement, like high road.
Yes.
Okay, so
the reinforced soil walls.
It can also be used over unstable landfill as a closure system.
What about number 1?
I think number 1 is for drainage. Is it?
Yes, I put drainage too. Geocomposite.
Oh, it looks like a geonet and a woven geotextile.
Woven geotextile.
Right.
No woven geotextile, I'm sorry.
No woven, yes.
No woven.
Right.
Let me see here. I put the functions of drainage, filtration, and separation. What do you think?
Yeah, I think.
Yes, I agree. Drainage is the main function, right?
Right.
When we add the geotextile to the geonet, it can also perform the functions of separation and filtration because of the non-woven geotextile. Do you agree?
Yes, I think you are correct.
And for the properties, transmissivity,
permeability,
side, permeability. What else?
The apparent opening size of the non-woven geotextile.
So tensile strength.
Compressive strength of the geonet.
What about the number 4? How can I use this geosynthetic?
Geomembrane.
It's a geomembrane, right?
Right.
Yes.
It looks like a geomembrane, but we have 3 types of geomembrane here, right? have a black one, a green one, and one that has a texture, apparently.
Yes, we can use in tailing dams, landfills, liners.
Tailing dam is very interesting.
How about the main function of a geomembrane?
We're here. Related to fluids and gas.
Right, and also containment, barrier and containment.
Also, it's impermeable, right?
Right.
Yes.
Very good.
Oh, it's actually it's not impermeable. It has a really low permeability.
Yeah.
We can say it's impermeable, right? Just picking on you, Victor. And the main properties of a geomembrane.
The polymer type is important.
The thickness, I think.
Thickness,
Tensile strength.
Function resistance.
Durability.
durability.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you sure that the type 4 is all geomembrane? Nothing different?
Professor,
Is it
they all look like geomembrane, but the first one, the one that is on the top layer, looks like a texture. It has a texture. But I would say they all are geomembranes, but I'm not sure. What do you all think?
Yeah, they're all geomembranes, I think.
Yeah, I think it's all geomembranes, but one have texture, as you said, and the others are smooth.
Professor?
And then number 2 is geogrid, right?
Right.
Yeah, it looks like a
Yes.
geogrid. Mm-hmm.
Is the bidimensional and the three-dimensional geogrid in the sample?
Yeah, that's true.
It looks like a B-dimensional.
Bidimensional, it's the right side.
Mm-hmm.
The three-dimensional is the other side.
And the main function?
Reinforcement.
Reinforcement.
Yeah, I think it's a reinforcement.
Reinforcement. Mm-hmm.
I think it is too.
So as a property, as a mechanical property, I would say tensile strength. It's a very important property.
Yeah, I think it's the main property. It's the mechanical properties.
And as a application for geogrid, I would say to reinforce base course of pavements and roads.
We can use in reinforced soils.
Yes, right.
Soft grain.
Yes, the soft soils.
And
Professor,
One more time? I will guess.
Are we done yet? Are we done yet?
Oh, yes. Now you need to write your conclusion on the answer form. You have 5 minutes for this, and chose one of you to make the presentation. Okay?
Okay. Someone want to present?
We're gonna have to choose now or later. We can choose the person now or later after we write the form.
I think we can.
No. Write the form
And
now.
then choose.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so we received kit number 1, and the first geosynthetic is this one in the picture. We decided that this material is a drainage geocomposite. So let's go here. It's made of a non-woven geotextile and a geonet, and the functions: drainage, filtration, and separation. For the properties, planar permeability, transmissivity, compression strength, compressive creep, durability, apparent opening size. And for the main applications, lateral drainage in roads, landfill liner systems, and cover systems. So the material number 2 is a geogrid. That's this one here. So this one, geogrid. The function reinforcement and properties, the main properties, tensile strength, tensile stiffness. And for the applications, reinforced soil walls, force reinforcement in pavements, basal reinforcement in soft soils. So for the material number 3, it's a woven geotextile. It's woven geotextile. The functions: reinforcement, separation, and filtration, and the properties: tensile strength, tensile stiffness, planar permeability, transmissivity, function resistance. And for the application, reinforced soil walls, basal reinforcement in pavements, basal reinforcement in soft soils also. And number 4, geomembranes, this here in the picture. The function is barrier of fluids and gases. And for the properties: polymer type, thickness, tensile strength, function, resistance, permeability, durability. In applications, we can use geomembranes in landfill liners or tailing dams, for example. That's it.
Okay.
So I will finish.
Congratulations, Natalia. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much.